Speaking uMosamseleko uyamthanda kuMacele noVuyokazi. Another season, another relationship alleged broke down, and somehow it's Macele again. We are hearing that Mpumelelo and Lwandle haven't spoke for years. The issues somehow trace back to their mothers. At this point, Macele needs to sit down and ask herself a serious question. Why do I keep ending up in the middle of everyone's relationships? Because whether it's a friendship, siblings, marriage, family relationships, every season there is another situation where Macele somehow is involved in people falling apart. Macele, you cannot keep breaking everyone and everything up and then act surprised when the family it is divided. Maybe it is time for some serious self-reflection in Macele. Because guys, what is going on? Last week on Utana Ezingane Temple season 4 episode 1, Crazy alleged baby mama Lwandle. She was also complaining to say the reason why Lwandle hasn't taken the next step is because of her mother. Macele, she's always involving good business Lwandle, guys. It was alleged ingane Crazy. It is not Lwandle son, and they were blaming Macele. It might happen that Macele she was involved with my DNA guys. So this week Mpumelelo he went to see Mosamseleko. They were talking about the paying ilobolo ya Tirelo, and they're going to make Tirelo their first wife. They say you need to also take Lwandle along with you. Mpumelelo was like, you know very well what happened between me and Lwandle. I cannot take Lwandle because of her mother. Mosamseleko quickly stop Mpumelelo, guys. If it was Makhe Mangwabe or Mayeni, guys, it was not gonna stop him. He was gonna let Mpumelelo talk. You can see ukuthi uMosamseleko uyamthanda uMacele, guys. uMacele can never be wrong in Mosamseleko's eyes, guys. So he even spoke about Vuyokazi ukuthi angayikhohlwa ingane zakaVuyokazi, and people were saying ukuthi hayi uMosamseleko uyamthanda kuVuyokazi. Mpumelelo came to talk about Tirelo, indaba zakaTirelo. Nangu uMosamseleko he's including uVuyokazi to the whole conversation. If he wanted to talk about Vuyokazi, he could arrange another meeting in Mpumelelo and they talk about Vuyokazi. Mpumelelo replied to say, indaba yakaVuyokazi ngizamile ukukhuluma noVuyokazi, even though WhatsApp message where Mpumelelo was trying to comment kuVuyokazi's status, saying, even asking uVuyokazi zinjani ingane, hayi bamblutika uMpumelelo, guys, by Vuyokazi. But there's a video on YouTube yakaVuyokazi where Vuyokazi she says she doesn't have a problem co-parenting noMpumelelo. Now she's the one who's denying for Mpumelelo to have access nalezi ngane, guys. You can see ukuthi naye uVuyokazi she's not perfect, even based on guys, they're gonna come in the comment section defend of you guys, but that's okay, guys. Let's all be honest. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.